In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add your business location on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So guys, the best way to add your business location on Instagram is go to any web browser. I'm gonna use Safari. After that, we need to go to maps.google.com. You can just search for maps and you will find Google Maps at the very first position. Once we are at Google Maps, we need to search for a location we would like to add to our Instagram profile. You can just tap at some location in this way, and after that, if we drag it to the left, we can find the share option. All we have to do is just tap on it and then tap at copy. What that will do, that will copy the link to that particular location to the clipboard, and after that we can go to Instagram, and on our profile page we need to tap at edit profile, then links, add external link, and in the URL field we need to paste the URL we have just copied, and also we can give a title to that URL. After that, to save the changes, don't forget to hit at done. And then if we go to our profile, we can see that now we have clickable link to our location on our Instagram profile. That's how you can easily add your business location on Instagram.